Emerging Ethics Power Private Limited presents India's #1 Ethics Water Conditioner, an ISO certified product with more than 13 years of customer satisfaction. We are committed to fight and solve the hard water problem present in the groundwater. But how come water becomes hard? Rainwater, mostly pure, comes in contact with carbon dioxide present in the air and it becomes carbonic acid. Further, it seeps in the ground and meets with the cations such as calcium and magnesium. These solids are sticky in nature and attract each other. These salts make this groundwater hard. This groundwater is lifted and stored in the overhead reservoirs. The inherent solids leave a sticky layer on the inner walls of the pipes and the tank. You use the same water for your regular usages. And the effects of hard water? Sticky hair, white stains on taps, showers, bathroom walls, commodes, washing machine, etc. It also leaves stains on the kitchen utensils, dishwasher, etc. This hard water doesn't even let the soap to form foam. It forms a hardened layer inside the pipeline and even in the solar tube to affect its efficiency. So, what's the solution for this grave and hard water problem? That's where Ethics Water Conditioner comes as a savior. This advanced equipment works in 3 stages. Electrolysis. At this stage, the bonds of salts like calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate are broken without changing their physical properties. Electronics. Based on the theory of the famous German scientist Faraday, a 32 MHz frequency is passed through the water to deactivate the anions in the water. Electromagnetic. Then, as per the Lorentz principle, an electromagnetic field of 7,000 to 14,000 Gauss is created to energize the water salt to make the water light. Ethics Water Conditioner comes with a number of exceptional benefits such as eco-friendly, no chemicals used, no salt residue, zero water wastage, one-time investment, no maintenance, fit and forget, long life of 20 years. The product also comes with a 2 years warranty. Before installing Ethics, you will need to fit a dual media filter to separate physical contamination like dust or any other particles, smell, etc. from the water. At the same time, you will have to protect Ethics box from direct sunlight, rain or wind. Ethics brings dramatic physical transformation in your water. Even though particles will be present in the water, they won't stick anywhere and cause stains because Ethics removes stickiness from them. Do you know an interesting fact? Coconut water has a TDS of 3000, ORS water has a TDS of 4000 and saline water has a TDS of 7000. Ethics Water Conditioner treats water in 3 phases and gives benefits like anti-scaling, anti-rusting, anti-algae, no stickiness, no stains. Ethics comes in 3 models and it's ideal for domestic usage like housing societies or individual bungalows, agriculture, industrial and commercial usages. We can customize the product as per your requirements. You can get sales and service support anywhere across India. Now, no more hard water. Treat it with Ethics Water Conditioner. Get in touch with us today.